The kiwi bird, native to New Zealand, faces a life of profound challenges from the day it hatches. Born flightless, kiwis must navigate ground-based dangers as persistent predators like stoats and cats threaten their existence. Each night, under the cover of darkness, they forage for insects and worms, a dangerous endeavor due to their heightened vulnerability. Human encroachment has led to habitat loss, pushing kiwi populations into small, fragmented areas where survival becomes a constant battle. Additionally, their slow reproductive rate means even minor population declines could be catastrophic, placing this iconic bird on the edge of extinction.